Hey, it's Cameron with White Top Adventures, and today we're going to be installing our rear door storage panels. These are new to our lineup, really simple to install. They come with hardware. You're going to use a 3/32 drill bit to pre-drill your holes with a drill gun. You're going to use the hardware that's included. There's T25 Torx with some tapping screws, T25 head on the top of them. They're flange heads, so they'll grab the outside of the fabric and won't pull through. You'll get a sticker from White Top Adventures to put wherever you want, give to your kids. So to install these, it's really simple. You're gonna pick a spot between that top seam and that bottom seam right there in between, and you're gonna go through there. We have a couple spots on the van or on the kind of marked off like that. There's a little tiny pinhole right there. It's kind of showing you where the center of it is. So you can put one there towards the outside edge. There's another one right there. On our top ones, there's some bigger holes, kind of showing you exactly where you need to go. You got a hole right there, hole right there, a hole right there, and you got some more holes on the bottom to kind of go around. So that's going to use 6. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to install. So we're going to start at the top. Line it up kind of square, drill 3/32 right about there, through there. And then we're gonna follow up with our self-tapper. Make sure it lines up in the same hole, right there. There we go. We're gonna follow that around, 3/32 and a self-tapper. We get it in there and do that all the way around. There you go. There are 2 screws kind of hidden underneath here, so you see that spot right there. Pick a spot on that one. Got a hole in there. Follow with that self-tapper. There's one. I'll get this one up here. Follow it up with that self-tapper. Okay. Come down the side. Got one right here. And we'll follow it up. There you go. And we get this one in. There we go. Follow up around the bottom. 1, 2, and one down here. Get this one really quick. Okay, it's the last one. Again, just like always, make sure you either have a drill stop or you're running your drill bit short, like it's tucked all the way in, to stop yourself from going through this and then through this outer door skin. So just be careful. Follow it up. And there you go. That's it. Congratulations. That's your lower door organizer. And you're going to repeat that exact same process on the other side of the van. Hey, I'm going to be installing the center or middle organizer for the rear door of a transit van. You're going to find your hardware tucked inside one of these pouches. This guy's going to fit up here just like this. You're going to make sure when you're installing this, use your 3/32 drill bit. You're going to want to put it up, not out, over, not through. This door skin behind here is the same door skin on the back of the van. So if you put this through, you'll be adding a hole to the back of the van. Let's try not to do that. And I start from the center at the top just to put my first one in. So we're just gonna put one through, and it's between this line and this line. This little meaty section in the middle right there, you just put a hole right there. Line it up, make sure it's square. You go through this. There you go, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna follow it up with one of our self-tapping screws using a T25 Torx bit that's also included in the package. And I'm gonna drill through this. Make sure it goes into the hole you just drilled. And there you go. That's it. I'm gonna follow that process all the way around. I'm gonna put 3 across the top, 2 across the sides, 2 or 3 across the bottom. You can really put them wherever you want. I like putting them somewhere where it's gonna give strength to the pocket that it's hanging from. So like here and here, and then down here in the center. I like to put one in the center and the outside corners to kind of keep everything tucked in. So yeah, just follow through with the rest of them, get them in place right now. And there it is. Sometimes it's a little hard to see, and it moves around a little bit when you're installing it. Totally fine. You can just lift it up a little bit and see where your hole is behind it. So I can put this guy in here, look behind, see where that hole is, line it up. Good to go. And our last screw, right down here. Okay. Get our self-tapper in there. Make sure it lines up. And in she goes. There we go. Awesome. So that's our midsection right there. A pretty simple install. Just make sure you go out. Try not to touch that outer door skin on the back side. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna repeat this process on the opposite side and enjoy. Okay, so next we're gonna install our upper rear door organizer for the Transit. Again, same as the midsection and lower section, you're gonna use a 3/32 drill bit to drill between that top line and that bottom line through that little meaty section in the middle. And you're gonna put it up to the body of the van, get it in the right place where you want it. You're gonna drill a hole here through the van, through the door card into the sheet metal, and you're gonna follow up with our self-tapping screw with our T25 Torx bit that's included in the pack. Let's start drilling this guy in. Kind of always start by your foot, I'm so sorry. Okay. I kind of always start in the middle to help center everything. And then we can follow up with a bunch around the perimeter. I like to put them in the corner. Again, make sure your drill bit is set short, because if something happens and you shoot through all of a sudden, you don't want to go puncture that door skin that's on the back side of the van and put a hole through the van. Last but not least, bottom center. Again, that meaty section between those two stitch lines. And follow it up with that self-tapper. And there it goes. There you go. Awesome. Pretty simple, easy install. And that's our Transit upper door organizer. Yeah. The driver's side is exactly the same as the passenger side. You're just going to repeat the process. And I hope you guys enjoy the extra organizational space you get with this rear door set. Thanks, you guys. Have a good one.